Back in Tech Learning, and in this video you're going to learn about how you need to set up the SideQuest software and application in Quest 2 VR. The first thing, you need the SideQuest application, so I will give the link in the description link below so you can download easily, or even you can search and manually download the APK. It's in Android. So once you're done, you need to just connect it to your VR with your phone with C-type cable, and once you do that, just open the SideQuest app, and then as you can see, it's saying that connect USB cable to enable Wi-Fi. For play my game, you can check my Google Play Store account, and you can follow me in my Facebook page. Also, you can visit our website for get more information, and if you have personal project or if you have some work, you can Gmail me at my Gmail address. Also, like, share and subscribe and support me. If you want my paid course, you can check in Udemy, link in the description. And then it will be ask you, it will automatically set the IP address and your headset IP address. Make sure you don't share that, and then simply click on connect. And if you if it's connected, so you don't need to do, but if in case it's not connected, so you need to do. And then what you need to do, just press this here and install SideQuest application to your VR headset, and it will give you a page link, and you need to download, and it will be like this, and download the app, and it will be automatically installed for you in your SideQuest app in your VR. And once you do that, now others will be do in our PC. Okay, so we are now in PC. Now what you need to do, just install also the SideQuest software, and once you're done, it will be connected a API or port for you. And some of cases you need to enable for connecting the SideQuest software. Maybe it can be asked a 4-digit to 5-digit pass, so you need to also open that application in your VR headset, and once you open, you will find the code and to just write at it here on the software, and you're ready to rock and roll. As you can see, it's saying that Quest 2 VR is totally connected. Now if I want for install any type of software, you can press this button and you can choose your APK and simply click on open, and it will be start installing your APK in your VR. As you can see, it's showing, even you can see what is going on in the task list, installing or whatever. If you want, you can uninstall also, and if it's installed successfully, it will be show a green icon for you that yep brother, it's totally installed. And as you can see, saying that yep, totally installed. Okay, so that's how you can basically set up the SideQuest software and application for your VR Quest 2. And now if you go to your VR, then all section, then all file, and unknown source, you will find your application. Okay, and that's all. I hope you understand. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye bye. See you next tutorial video. For play my game, you can check my Google Play Store account, and you can follow me in my Facebook page. Also, you can visit our website for get more information, and if you have personal project or if you have some work, you can Gmail me at my Gmail address. Also, like, share and subscribe and support me. If you want my paid course, you can check in Udemy, link in the description.